This is Lawrence Wilson for Artificial Intelligence Academy based here in Silicon Valley. I want to welcome you, and today I'd like to share with you the data engineering with Python and AWS Lambda training program. For those of you interested in data engineering, data science, and ultimately artificial intelligence. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with AWS Lambda, let me just briefly share that AWS Lambda is an event-driven serverless computing platform provided by Amazon as part of AWS and is a computing service that runs code in response to events and automatically manages the computing resources that are being consumed by AWS, which also supports secure native Linux executables. Now that's a mouthful, but let me just share with you as well some of the key course objectives. This course is for you if you are an aspiring data engineer using Python, as well as those of you who work with or want to learn cloud-based native data engineering patterns, as well as those of you who are new to AWS cloud environment and want to write functions in Python that do not require servers. Again, serverless computing environment. So let me just mention the 5 core training modules that comprise this program. First, performing data engineering tasks on AWS. Second, developing with the Cloud 9 toolkit and capability. Third, writing AWS Lambda functions in Python, as well as implementing cloud-native data engineering patterns such as, again, serverless computing, along with, and finally, architecting event-driven technologies on the AWS platform using tools such as SQS, Python, Lambda, and other AWS technologies. So we have a very rich training program for you indeed. I would encourage you to click on the link below this video. Our website has all the details about the program, the course curriculum, and how you can get started today by enrolling in this training program and advancing your career opportunities and boosting your income potential. This is Lawrence Wilson for Artificial Intelligence Academy signing off. As always, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.